your blog, I find so refreshing. It is so raw and authentic and truly your personality. And it's so rich with really good ideas. Go to, it's on the screen, jeannievb.com.
Yeah, but the other one is the one on Script Magazine's website, which is
if you go to
Balls of Steel.
Is what?
Balls of Steel. But there's links to it on my own blog too. You can find it there.
That's okay. But if you go to Script Mag, there's a I think the tab says blogs, and if you drop down the drop-down menu, I think Balls of Steel by Jeannie Villette Bowerman is the first, maybe the second, I forget. It's near the top.
Yeah, it's up there. I'm the editor. I have some perk.
She knows people who know people. So be prepared to spend some time and get hooked and read about 10 or 20 of these installments because they're great.
I'm actually writing one today. After I get done with this, I'll start writing it about Naked and Afraid and bats and how that relates to being a writer. But I'm excited to write that one. Hopefully that'll be live this week.
I missed that. What was the title?
I don't have a title yet, but it's about the show Naked and Afraid and also bats and how that relates to being a writer. I've had an interesting week. Let's just say that.
All right. That's called teasing. I'm already curious. Okay.
Writing naked with bats.